Alrighty, so as you can see, there I have it. So I just built a yellow dump truck building set by Mould King, which is pretty awesome, pretty cool. And yeah, similar to the LEGO Technic 42030 Model B as a Volvo A25F. So yeah, by the way, I just did the correct way for steering this thing, which is pretty correctly, and yeah. So when I do building this steering part, I really did do some sort of like the same thing to like this thing. In this thing, I did do the same thing, which is pretty same, and it's incorrect, which it didn't steer very well, and yet it did get stuck in the middle of the part for steering this thing, and yet it didn't steer very well. So yeah, and then I actually did the correct way, which is like the top of like the gear, so I can steer it correctly. So yeah, which is correct. So yeah, so like I said, I already did tested it, which is nice, and yeah, so I'm gonna do a little bit tester. Here we go. Oh crap. So yeah, works pretty well, and yeah, so like I said, as you can see, there you have it. So I just built the Mould King yellow dump truck building set, which is the A60H, and it's similar to the LEGO Technic 42030 Model B as a Volvo A25F. So yeah, and that's pretty much what I had to say. So it's me, signing off. Peace out.